Hello, my name is Travis Huggins. This is my first assignment of the week. This is for the Anatomy and Physiology 2, Module 6, lab, and it's question 1, in which we cover the 6 majority components of the digestive system. So the digestive system is broken into 2 separate groups. The organs of the digestive system are broken into 2 separate groups. One's the accessory organs, which are the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, the pancreas, liver, gallbladder. Those ones we're not covering today. We're going to instead cover the alimentary canal, which is also known as the gastrointestinal tract, GI tract for short, or simply the digestive tract. So these organs are the following. Starting up here at the top, we have the oral cavity, which is more commonly known as the mouth. Next, right here, we have the pharynx. And below the pharynx, running all the way down to the stomach, we have the esophagus. Next up, connected to the esophagus is, as I just mentioned, it's the stomach. And then following the stomach, we connect down to the small intestine, which you can actually see goes here and then connects to all of this. This is all the small intestine, which then from there runs to this, the large intestine, which is the bottom. So these organs, as you can see by following my mouse more or less, create one long continuous tube through which food will flow. It doesn't deviate from this. It goes down this, and it starts at the mouth, obviously, and ends down here at the large intestine. Together, these organs fill multiple functions, some doing multiple functions on their own. First is obviously ingestion, which is food going into the mouth. Or maybe perhaps not through the mouth if you're using something artificial like a feeding tube, but ingestion is generally with the mouth. After that is secretion. The digestive system actually is in charge of secreting a lot of endocrine and exocrine products from the glands, such as mucus, enzymes, hormones, and acids, obviously, for the stomach. Next, they also fill the role of propulsion, which is done through contractions called peristalsis, and it's also assisted by mucus, the propulsion is. Next up, we have digestion, which is kind of the whole point of all of this, it feels like. Well, it's part of the whole point. It's both digestion with this system is both chemical and mechanical, meaning chemical meaning through chemical reactions it's broken down, mechanical meaning through physical action like chewing or simply the muscles within it moving things around and mixing it up. Next, we have absorption, which I guess I should say that is the whole point of all of this, is the absorption purpose of it, where the body literally absorbs the nutrients that are broken down from the foods we eat to help eventually create energy so we can move and fill many, many other roles. And finally, we have defecation, which is getting rid of the excess waste from all of this unusable materials and maybe some byproducts as well. And that is my video. Thank you very much.